All right, Chirps. Chirps. Chirps.
Yeah, I'm here.
Watch. I'm making another recipe.
It smells.
You know what this is called? Nachos. So I made these chips earlier just using some corn tortillas.
Man, they look good.
They look good?
Yeah.
Yeah? Just kind of push them together.
Man.
Okay. So I got meat here, right? Oh, you're excited about this one. So I'm going to pour the meat on.
Ooh. Let me have some.
I'll get you some in a minute,
Yes,
okay?
ma'am.
So then the cheese goes on top.
I love me some cheese.
This is actually Italian sausage cooked with some peppers and onions. Got a little cheese here. So this is going to go into a 400-degree oven for about 5 to 8 minutes.
Where are you going with that? Bring it back. Okay.
Chirps, here is the completed product. Does it look good?
It looks really good.
Huh?
Oh, man.
Look at it. Nice and cheesy.
That cheese.
It's too hot for you right now, but I'll give you a little bit of the cheese, okay? Because the meat's got onions in it. But that's how you make nachos, Chirps.
Let me have some.
I know, it looks good, don't it? Look at that cheese.
She's
Yummy,
teasing
yummy.
me.
All right, good job, Chirps.
Thank you.
You're going to be an excellent chef one day.
A chef? Ooh.